This pains me to do this.
Fucking stripped out, kidding me.
Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel, my name is EthanDiiulio and this is my 1983 Mark II Toyota Supra. So in this week's video, as you can see, we finally got the windshield back on. That was a little bit of a pain, but we did it. The car is completely sanded. I got the rear hatch sanded. So hopefully this thing should be good to go. All we really have to do with as far as body work is finish this body filler, which I'll probably, I'm not really sure when we'll do that. And we gotta reconstruct the rear quarters, but we also have everything in the back done. This whole area is covered. There is some stuff that we have done that I didn't show in this week's video. We took out a lot of the components in here and we painted them, cleaned them up. I do want to let you guys know there most likely will not be a video next week, unfortunately, because I'm not going to be here to work on the car, so there's not really going to be anything for me to film. So yeah, just stick with me. There will definitely be more videos to come. This thing's almost done. We're going to get it sent to paint once I get back. Hopefully we'll be able to finish the rear quarters and stuff. So it's coming along. Still got a little bit ways to go, but yeah. So yeah, guys, stick around on the channel for more videos on this car every single Wednesday. If you enjoy these videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. With all that said, let's get right into this video, and I hope you enjoy. So we found out that the holes on the doors are not very easily accessible on the back because there's a crash bar in the way. So what we are going to try and do is use expanding foam behind the holes to create kind of a wall or a barrier or something that we can put the body filler over the top of so we can cover up the holes. And we're going to see if it works.
Might actually help quiet the doors.
Really?
Yeah, because if the doors like that, well, that's this, but if they ring it all when they close, this will kind of fill the gap.
So we bought a bunch of sandpaper and I am about to resand the car. This kit doesn't have 600 grit in it, so what I'm gonna have to do is go over it with 400 and then finish with 800. That kind of sucks, but we're gonna get it done. If I sound weird, it's because I have a mask partially over my mouth. So yeah, I'm gonna get sanding. This is gonna suck, but let's do it. Right now what I'm going to do is take out these horrible excuses for plugs off the deck lid so I can sand it down. Yeah, these are literally just clips that they put in here because apparently, because this is an 85 hatch, not an 83 hatch, because this has the double spoiler, or it was supposed to. Mine only is the single, which I'm okay with because I really like the look of the single. So what we're gonna do, take all of these things out, fill in the holes that are there, and just leave the ones that I need, these ones. And then yeah, sand it down. This should be getting body filled pretty quick. We got all the holes on the car plugged. Wheels should be coming back pretty soon, so yeah, it's getting there. Only wearing these because after doing this for a while it gets so annoying that you just don't want to listen to it anymore. Ear protection, guys. Trust me, it sounds a lot better in here than it does. Yeah, just take my word for it. I just masked off the window and the sides of the car just so I can make it easier to sand off this little strip on both sides. And eventually I will sand up here too, or not sand, I mean mask off like up here and then sand that too. This pains me to do this. got the entire rear trunk sanded. So yeah, pretty much everything on this car is sanded, guys. This hurts taking this sticker off, but it's off. Got the reflective one. That'll go on once we get paint on the car. But yeah, everything is looking good. Gotta get all the paint dust that is everywhere off of the car. That won't be too hard.
Put it, yeah, do that. Open that door. Well, no, don't do that. Hold it, clamp it with your hands, and when I tell you to, take your hands out of there. All right.
That side's already touching.
All right. I think you can take them out.
It's on my elbow.
Take it out. What's on your elbow? A sealer?
Yeah.
I hope I didn't put that too far down. What the fuck? Really? Fucking stripped out. Kidding me?
Just broke the tip off of a screwdriver. I'm running into problems, guys, everywhere we turn. Is it out?
Yeah, I think it is. Yeah, apparently because it's part epoxy or part dryer and part, it's only half the tube. Great, now what do I do? Well, I need to wipe all that up. I gotta buy more. I can't bond it afterwards. Son of a bitch, really?
Alright, it is time to wrap up this week's video. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and really trying to work hard, trying to get it done, because a lot of this is... But yeah, thank you guys for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, for your time and all of that. So I hope you have a great week. I'll see you guys in 2 weeks, because there most likely will not be a video next week. Bye, guys. Have a great rest of your 2 weeks, and I'll see you when I get back.